Hi everybody, this is Tammy with Wings of Love Treasures. I'm going to do a short video of a mystery box that I got. But I also wanted to tell you about my giveaway. I'm going to be giving away a bag of jewelry. You have to be subscribed, you have to hit the like button, and you have to comment, because that's where I'm picking the names from for the winner. And then whoever wins has to email me and give me your address. Okay, so I will be doing that on this video. This video is the one you have to comment on, subscribe, like, and also next Saturday I will be doing the giveaway. Okay, I will pick the winner. So there's a couple things I wanted to show you before I open this box, and this will just be a quick video. I'll put another one up tomorrow that's a little longer. This ring, someone let me know that this was actually Black Mountain gold. So I cleaned it up. Look how pretty it is. Yeah, so that's really interesting. I had just thrown it aside, and somebody commented and said, hey, think that's Black Mountain gold. So yeah, it is. Thank you so much. That's why I love y'all to comment, because sometimes I miss things. This was, see the chain? But this was gold fill. And then this is 10 karat gold, little heart. And I haven't tested those yet, but I think those are little diamonds. Very delicate chain. And then this bracelet is Alex Bitar, and it's worth about $230. I was shocked when I looked it up. I had seen one on Thelma's videos, but I didn't realize they were so expensive. This also was coral. I looked at it closer, but it is missing the hook. They've got one on this side, but not on that side. And then, what was this one? This one was also sterling. Little heart, and it's double chained necklace. Has the double chains. And then this is a I forget the name, Morphit butterfly wing. That's a butterfly wing in there. And then they put the glass over top, and that's all painted on the glass. But yeah, that's a butterfly wing. Isn't that cool? Okay, this was sterling, but we didn't find the match. I really liked that one. These both were sterling. Those did have matches. This was also sterling with real pearls. That's really heavy. It's nice. And then this was sterling, but we don't have a match to that either. This one, oops, this hook was sterling, which is good because I always need hooks. And all these were sterling with no matches. That's the one with the little, I might make this into a pendant, because this is really cute. It's got the seahorse on it. Yeah, and that was all sterling. Okay, so I got this mystery box. They haven't been having the premium Goodwill boxes lately, so I thought I would try this one. It was $49.99, and with shipping and all, it was $1 and then $8 shipping. So we'll see what's in here and see if it was worth it, if I should get more of these or no. So let me know what you think. So here it is. It's right here. It's got some boxes and things in it. So I'm going to open this up. We're going to go through this and see what we can find. Okay, we got a box. Another box. Lots of boxes. And then some things that are loose. I'll just put over here. And I'll put up a longer video tomorrow. Okay, let's push these back here and we'll start with the boxes. This says Annika Witt, made in Bali. Oh, those are pretty. Sterling silver. Those are nice. They're just little discs. They're on both sides though. That's pretty. Okay, we have that. And then, let's see what's in here. Oh, this is in a bag. This looks like dyed agate. Yeah, these are dyed stones. Pearl, dyed pearl. Amethyst maybe. Sterling silver. Well, that's pretty. Very purple. That's real pretty. Very purple. Okay. That back in. Okay, this says Van Dorn. Oh, that's nice. Genuine ruby and opal. It's probably sterling silver. With gold overlay. That's pretty. Okay. Then we have Charmilla. Oh, it's funny because I have this bracelet. My husband, when I told him I wanted one of these bracelets like Pandora, this is the brand he got me. So that is 925. So I may just put that on my charm bracelet because this is the brand I have. Okay, put that over there. Got this one. What is this one? Oh, Betsey Johnson. Oh, wow, look at that. That's a cuff bracelet. Wow, that's pretty. Brand new in a box. Super. I'll have to look that one up, see what it's called. And it's from Macy's, and there's no price on it. Okay, let's see what's over here. Now we have a silver tone bracelet. And we have an amethyst. Is that amethyst? Or is that dyed agate? It's got the bands. It's pretty though. Whatever it is, it's beautiful. Let's put it on. Yeah, that's nice. Okay. And we have another cuff bracelet. And what does that one say? Feels like stainless steel or pewter. Or, let's see what that one says. It says 900 Kirk pewter. Kirk pewter. I'll have to look that one up. It's pretty. Oops. Okay, then we have a ring. That feels like glass. It's pretty. What does that say? PD. PD. Is that Premier Design maybe? Don't know. And then we have a pendant, sterling silver. Looks like shell. Pink shell. That's nice. We have some earrings. And then we have a necklace. Doesn't have a name brand on it. Looks like all the stones are there. Yeah. Cute. And then we have another necklace. These are those AB rock crystals. Oh, they're acrylic. Yeah, faceted cut with some faux pearls. They're all bumpy though. Look at them. So that's pretty. Okay, we got one more thing. This looks like a titanium men's ring, size 10.5, 10 and a half. If I can open it. There we go. Oh, that's pretty. It's black with a blue stripe. 10 and a half. Nice. Titanium. It's got the blue all on the inside. Okay, that's it. That's all that was in the box, in the bag, for $49.99 plus the shipping and handling. Let me know what you thought. Was it worth it or no? And don't forget to comment on this video and subscribe and hit the like button. And next Saturday, we'll do a bag of jewelry, a giveaway. And this is the bag. I've already gotten it ready. It's pretty big. So it's fairly large. Here, I'll hold you up. There you go. That's the bag of jewelry. Okay? I'll put up another video tonight and for tomorrow. All right, y'all. Have a nice weekend. See ya. Bye.